presented to Meryll Soriano for passing 100,000 subscribers! Yay! Gido, we have the silver play button! Hello mga Okasans, I hope you guys are safe and well. Welcome to another episode of Dear Mama Meme! Okay guys, for today, it's really, welcome to my new studio. Sa gilid ng bahay dito sa baba. Bago ko ng studio, you know. This episode really is an appreciation episode. Because nakakakilig tong episode na to for me, no? But before that kilig, I would like to invite everybody to subscribe to this vlog and ring that bell so that updated kayo sa mga episodes ng Dear Mama Meme at The Curious too. And also like, comment, share, you know the drill. Okay, for this episode, para nakatambay sa labas. For this episode, I am really just going to be thanking everybody who's been a part of this YouTube journey for Dear Mama Meme and of course The Curious to the beginning of all that. Why are we here? Why am I doing this episode? Because it's the truth. Ready? Dun, dun, dun. We are unboxing the silver play button from YouTube! Yay! Kaya ko to. Hi! Okay, so, wala naman ako masyadong alam talaga sa YouTube, no? This started because of my friend, my good friend, Chris Escolano, who's also the director of The Curious 2, who's also the camera guy, who's also just my friend na nakakatawa. Nag-usap kami and I really was very reluctant and hesitant about putting up a channel. Why? Because I didn't want my content to be basta-basta. The content I wanted was really substantial, na gusto ko informative, funny, of course, kasi, hi, I'm funny. Soriano. Sorry pa. So, nag-start kami mag-conceptualize, puro nakakatawa lang, parang, actually, itong Dear Mama Meme was the original one. Kasi I wanted parang letter sender, tapos may magre-request or may magtatanong, tapos sasagutin lang namin. But I was very reluctant, and then sabi nga ni Chris, na bakit hindi na lang tayo mag-YouTube with Eli since, you know, you want na parang merong laman yung content mo, merong kang pinatutunayan. So sabi ko, perfect yan kasi mother and son bonding and then try different things in Manila or outside of Manila. So parang I wanted something na very, very fun, na hindi naman siya yung trend lang. So yun, nag-start yung YouTube namin, yung The Curious 2. And it's really, I really wanted sana, since The Curious 2, I wanted sana na experiments, you know, mga parang bonding na gagawin namin together ni Eli na we're gonna learn something new and we're gonna be sharing that to the world. But nauwi nga sa bonding and nagkaroon kami ng 2 seasons, so parang 8 episodes per season kasi ayoko nga sana ng weekly kasi ang hirap masyado ng load, ng pag-shoot, etc. etc. So anyway, napapayag ko naman si Eli kasi gusto nga niya mag-artista, di ba? So sabi ko, training ground mo na to. Okay, so nag-start ang The Curious 2. Successful naman siya, no? Nag-start kami 2019 and then in a span of how many months, nakakuha kami ng 54,000 followers. So, and then, tinamad na ako. Tinamad na ako kasi work, tinamad na si Eli kasi nga school. And parang hindi rin talaga ako completely into it. Kasi nga ayoko nga talaga ng social media and ayoko nga sana talagang ipakita or ibulgar yung buhay ko sa maraming tao. But kaya ako talaga very adamant on having good content. So yun nga, so parang natamad na and then ang hirap kasi we wanted to do so many things outside na, you know, we wanted to try yung mga trampoline, kung saan sa kami pupunta. So anyway, nagpahinga and wala na talaga akong balak ituloy, period. But then, you know, this pandemic hit and walang work. And sabi ko, baka gusto ko na lang ituloy yung aking first concept, which is Dear Mama Meme. And of course, dahil nga kakapanganak ko lang, perfect na perfect siya sa Dear Mama Meme. So nag-decide ako na ang content is really just about motherhood. Kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa akin real time na i-share din sa mga bagong nanay, sa mga parents, sa also sa about teenage son because meron din ako na si Eli. So, yun siya. So, I was very lucky to find a very, very amazing team, na si Yish, si Brian Bones, si Jello, our editor, and si Kyle, which is our editor, ang editor ko nun sa Curious 2. So yun, nabuo tong Dear Mama Meme, and here we are. This silver play button is such a great surprise, because in a span of weeks, yung 54,000 napunta na sa 100,000, which is the qualification for this. And then right now, meron na tayong 200. May tao sa banyo. Meron na tayong 230 something followers, which is such an amazing thing because so meron na tayong 200. This is it. This is really who I am. So yun, meron na tayong 230 something followers, which is amazing, guys. Kaya this YouTube silver play button is really not happening without you guys. So nagpapasalamat ako unang-una sa mga subscribers namin sa The Curious 2 because kayo yung pinakauna na sumubaybay sa amin. So maraming salamat. And of course, sa mga sumubaybay naman ngayon at sumusuporta sa Dear Mama, maraming salamat because patuloy na nag-grow yung subscribers, and it's really something na precious sa akin because I really want a channel and content na intentional and purposeful and informative, and I really wanna stick to that. And of course, masayang-masaya rin ako dahil nung Friday napanood ninyo na bumalik na ang The Curious 2, which is really something na important also sa akin because sabi ko nga, diba, the pandemic hit, and then nag-start na pumasok si Eli, nag-start na ako magka-baby, and limited na yung time namin together. So, naisip kong ipasok tong The Curious 2 ulit para rin meron kaming bonding time ni Eli na hindi lang naman si Gido. Okay, so, first time ko magkakaroon ng unboxing experience. So, alright, are we ready? Camera 2, are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, I'm ready. Let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Siyempre, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga guests ko. At ang pinaka-importante kong guest ay ang aking family, yung aming family Father's Day special with my tatay. So, yun talaga yung Hakot Awards. So, I guess nagpapasalamat ako sa tatay ko. And napinayagan niya ako na i-video yung very intimate part ng aming buhay. Gido is awake! Okay, are we ready? Is so special. Do you remember your first subscriber? Sabi ni YouTube. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Okay. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach the 1,000,000 subscriber, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Okay, it's here. Ang aming superstars sa Dear Mama Meme channel ay gising na. Yes naman! Yes naman! Pwede na ako mag-ingay kasi gising na si Gido! Can you see it? Oh, the camera. There you go. Presented to... Iba na ako. Multimedia award din ako. Hindi lang pang-acting. Presented to... Meryll Soriano for passing 100,000 subscribers! Yay! Gido, we have the silver play button! Yay! Ay ka na dito ang aking superstar. May sakit to eh. Come here, baby ko. Come here, baby ko. May sakit, may sakit. Anak, meron na tayong Okay, kaya rin ako nandito kasi baka dito ko na rin i-display to. Maging wall na to ng aking Wall of Fame. Ganon, something like that. Anyway, yon. This is the silver play button. And again, papasalamat ako sa lahat, sa subscribers, sa mga tao behind it, sa aking director na si Chris, sa aking team na si Yish, si Bones, si Jello, at si Kyle. At syempre, ang aking anak, si Joem, Papa Joem, thank you sa aking cameraman. Thank you so much. Si Eli, nagpapasalamat din. May pasok siya ngayon, so hindi tayo kasama. Nag-workout ako today, by the way, sa init dito sa aking bagong studio. Bago itong studio, mahal. Okay, punta ka muna kay Dad, ha? Mag-e-ending lang ako. Tingin-tingin ka sa artwork. How are you feeling? Thank you, Dad. Punta kay Dad.
Let's go.
Punta kay Dad. Si Eli ba to? Oh my God, Eli, alika rito. Magpasalamat ka. Pasalamat ka. Silver play button starting from The Curious 2.
Huh?
Yeah, well, ito yun. Nag-start tayo ng YouTube 2019. Lalagay dito.
Thank you, YouTube. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumubaybay.
Congrats, Mom.
Congrats sa atin. You're part of this, guys. Because also may Curious 2 na ngayon. Dito ko to isasabit. Sana mapuno ko to ng mga di ba, YouTube. Kung hindi, ito-drawing ko na lang. Again, super happy about this. Thank you so much, YouTube. So yun, inviting everybody to subscribe, continue watching this channel. And sa lahat ng mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, alam nyo na. O, di ba? May silver play button na. This is legit. So, again, thank you. Subscribe to this vlog. Turn on that bell. So, updated kayo sa episodes ng Dear Mama Meme at The Curious 2. Hinahanap yung sapatos niya, The Curious 2. Thank you so much, di ba? Kaya ako na 100,000 eh. Hindi niya mahanap yung sapatos niya, PE na. Pagmamahal. Thank you so much, mahal. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Hindi naman maulit tong studio na to, pero ang ganda eh. Pero kailangan meron akong lapel. Okay guys, kita nyo? Sobrang perfecto para sa wall na to. Nag-iisa kasama ng artwork ng kapatid ko, ng aking Shopetbaleeeeuuuur na si Tito Ken na nasa Japan. Okay mga Okasans, bago ko makalimutan, ang Dear Mama Meme ay may bagong paandar. Let us try to read some letters from our subscribers and our viewers. Susulat kayo sa akin. Pipili kami ng sulat. At babasahin ko, and I will try my very best to answer it. But since it's letter sending, we would like for you to email us your letter na Dear Mama Meme, Love Emerut, at dearmamameme@gmail.com. Diba parang what I mentioned earlier na ang Dear Mama Meme is supposed to be for that. So why not inject that to Dear Mama Meme? Kung meron kayong mga questions, kung meron kayong mga advice, kung meron kayong mga muni-muni sa buhay, syempre wag lang sa mga sa mga enemy kasi syempre lahat tayo nag-work. But yes, kung meron kayong mga gustong malaman, meron kayong mga problema sa pagpapadede, problema sa kung saan man, we will try our best to pick that letter for an episode and I will try my very best to answer them. Okay? Don't forget mga Okasans, Otousans, Onisan, Onesan, Shopetbaleeeeuuuur, dearmamameme@gmail.com. Okay? Ang lakas ng tumaka. Dear Ate Charo, alam nyo na ha, i-try natin to. This is my dream, maging parang Dear Mama Meme. Oh, di ba? Thank you so much, guys. And also follow me on other social media accounts at Dear Mama Meme, at Planet Umeboshi, at The Curious 2 on Instagram. And also, TikTok, don't forget, TikTok, at Meryl Soriano _ Alright! Again, maraming salamat. Yes, sana ay umabot tayo sa 1 million para meron na tayong gold. And then yung diamond, si Diamond Star, siya na yun. Meron ako nun. Tawan-tawa na naman. Pawis na ginamit ko yung shirt mo ha. Sorry, nauna na akong gumamit. Yung Diamond Star, tita ko yun eh. So, hindi ko na kailangan ng Diamond Play Button. Okay, magkita-kita tayo ulit next week sa Dear Mama Mana! 100,000! Pero 200 na!